Ever since the world saw its first whiteboard video, the trend has spread like virus. So much that there are millions of whiteboard videos now. Too much of anything becomes, well, a bit boring. Is there a way to spice things up again? Can we make whiteboard great again? Meet Animaker Whiteboard. It's nothing like you have seen before. It's Whiteboard 2.0, the future of whiteboard videos. Animaker Whiteboard comes in 4 awesome new styles. Blackboard, to take your viewers back to school. Notepad, to envision your crispy thoughts on paper. Glassboard, to make your messages crystal clear. Stitchboard, to sew up your next kick-ass idea. So you're thinking we scrap the traditional whiteboard. Don't worry, it's there and it's better than ever before. But wait, it's not 2010 anymore. What's the use of any video if it's not optimized for mobile these days? As a cherry on top of this already awesome whiteboard sundae, you can even optimize these 5 whiteboard styles for mobile to create some of the world's first vertical whiteboard videos. And boom! That's right. Get ready to blow your viewers away with a new wave of whiteboard videos. Why should whiteboard even be white anymore? Create your video now and take the world by storm.